Hi, my name's Andrew, and today we're going to continue learning how to tell the time in English. In the previous videos, we studied o'clock, AM, PM, past 2, and other times of the day. In this video, we will learn about exact times. Because today we will be using all the 60 minutes of a clock, we will quickly go through minute 1 to 60 with some music and moving. If you know how to say these numbers already, feel free to move forward to this time in the video. If you want some number practice, let's do this now. Go! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Well done. If you want, you can go back and practice those numbers again. If not, let's get going. Often, when looking at a digital clock, so a clock that is just showing numbers, you can just say the time by reading the numbers as you see them. Hours, then minutes. So, if somebody shows you this time, you can read it as 10:21. Hour, then minutes. It's 10:21. You try saying that time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It's 10:21. Nice. So, we can just read the time as hour, then minutes. Let's go through some examples of exact times. It's 7:23. It's 10:41. It's 5:09. It's 6:11. It's 11:59. It's 4:32. Exact times are good if you want or need to be really precise, exactly know what time it is. But let me show you some things to remember when reading exact times. First of all, as we talked about in the previous video, so the video before this one, we use O to read the number 0 when the minutes are under 10. So from 01 to 09. For example, it's 2:07, it's 12:01, it's 9:03. You could try now. In a moment, pause the video and try reading these O times. Once you're finished, press play and you'll hear and see the answers. See if you were right. Ready? Press pause. It's 9:09, it's 3:02, it's 11:03, it's 7:05, it's 12:08, it's 1:01. Good job! Remember too, in English, we normally use the 12-hour clock to say the time. We talk about the day as 12 hours plus 12 hours. Let's look at an example. If you say this time as it's 1954, it sounds like you're actually saying it's 1954. It's the year 1954. So, in spoken English, we read this time using the 12-hour clock. And in the 12-hour clock, 19 is 7. So we can read this time as 7:54. We can then say PM or in the evening to make it clear. It's 7:54. It's 7:54 p.m. It's 7:54 in the evening. Mostly, only in the army do people talk in 24-hour time. For example, this time would be read as 0900 hours, and this time would be read as 2100 hours. So, unless you want to talk like a soldier, we need to use the 12-hour clock when speaking. There are some situations or places where you could hear the 24-hour clock being spoken. For example, at a train station in the UK, they might say, "The next train arriving at platform 3 is the 2015 service to London Victoria." Now, if we want to change those 24-hour times into 12-hour times when we speak, how do we do that? We take away 12. Let me show you. If you see 13, take away 12, and we get 1. So the hour is 1. We can also say 1 p.m. or 1 in the afternoon, to be clear. So, 13 is 1, 14 is 2, 15 is 3, 16 is 4, 17 is 5, 18 is 6, and from this point we can say in the evening. 19 is 7, 20 is 8, 21 is 9, and from this point we can say at night. 22 is 10, and 23 is 11. You try reading these times using the 12-hour clock. You can even try saying the time using PM or in the evening or at night. For example, it's 4:29 in the afternoon. Yes! If you say it's 4:29 p.m. or it's just 4:29, it's okay. If it's a little too fast, you can pause the video during every 3, 2, 1 countdown. That's okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It's 5:24. It's 7:17. It's 3:43. It's 10:05. It's 1:58. It's 6:34. It's 8:12. It's 9:59. Well done. There's also something else to know. For the midnight hour, which is 00 on a 24-hour clock, when we read the time, we don't say it's 00:13 or it's midnight 13. That sounds strange. We can say it's 12:13 a.m., but it's normal to hear people say it's 13 minutes past midnight. Now that you know all of that, let's practice saying exact times. Say the exact time before the bird flies away. The answer will come up right after. For example, it's 7:29. Yes! Your turn. 3, 2, 1, go! It's 12:48. It's 3:19. It's 7:04. It's 8:53. It's 1:51. It's 11:37. It's 5:21. It's 6:24. It's 5:12. It's 2:59. It's 11:46. It's 9:09. Well done! So now you know how to say exact times, how you can just read the numbers as they are. So 5:53, how if the minutes are under 10, so from 01 to 09, we say the number 0 as an O. For example, 11:03. And how if the clock is a 24-hour clock, we read the numbers 13 as 1, 14 as 2, 15 as 3, and so on. Fantastic! If you want to continue learning how to tell the time in English, move on to the next video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And have a really good day. See ya.